Hello friends, in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First line, play. They play football well. Second line, silver. Silver is a very useful metal. Third line, box. The box contains the red caps. Fourth line, forest. Animals live in the forest. Fifth line, Atul. Atul is my friend. Sixth line, childhood. We never forget our childhood. Seventh line, honesty. Honesty is the best policy. Eighth line, van. We go to school by van. Ninth line, girl. Radha is a beautiful girl. Tenth line, teacher. Rahul is a teacher.